So though you have denied me the and not admit my submission, so I would like to make a submission today, sir, because every time, sir, we find that the executive often uses sub-judice broadly to avoid embarrassment, avoid immediate accountability, and to delay political debate. So, according to Article 194, powers and privileges of the state legislature. And as the legislature, we have the freedom of speech within the House and power to discuss matters of public importance. And even courts themselves, repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred merely because the case is pending. So, sir, unless it directly interferes with adjudication. So, sir, there are a few areas which we are not supposed to be allowed to discuss, and there are some areas that we are supposed to be allowed. So we know that we cannot discuss guilty, innocence, evidence in court merits, and judicial findings. However, sir, we can discuss on administrative failure, policy lapses, and government negligence, and also preventive measures, sir. So, sir, I feel that the executive should not hide itself under this provision of sub-judice. So I feel that whatever happened in East Giant Hills is a matter of serious concern, that all the members of this House should be given a chance to deliberate this issue, sir. So if, sir, you allow, then I think it will be for the benefit of the people of the state. The people of the state, they are watching. They want to know exactly what led to that unfortunate incident and the matters surrounding this illegal extraction of coal in the state, sir.
Earlier, Honorable Chief Minister had already made a suo motu statement in this regard, and I have also received that this matter is sub-judice and cannot be is pending at a court of law and cannot be discussed. So, accordingly, I have taken this decision based on Rule Number 57, Subclause 6, and I stand by my decision, and the Speaker's decision is final. So we move on to item number 2.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Calling attention